Sarah Keith-Lucas has got the latest forecast.
Well, Ben, it was quite crisp and pretty out there this morning with the frost, so it was scarves and gloves around, but I think we'll be swapping the scarves and gloves for the wellies and the waterproofs later on in the week. So, yeah, fine, fairly quiet day out there, and the next couple of days are looking fairly quiet, but really a week of two halves, because later, from midweek onwards, that's when things turn increasingly windy with heavy rain. In fact, we've had the second storm of the season named by the Met Office. This is Storm Babette. You can see it on the satellite image, not far from the Canary Islands at the moment, but it's just sweeping its way a little bit further northwards, and over the next few days it crosses the Bay of Biscay, heads up towards the UK, bringing us some really wet and windy conditions, met by another area of low pressure that merges with that storm as well. So some particularly disruptive weather through the second half of the week. But for the here and now, most of us dry out there this afternoon. Quite a lot of cloud around across the southern half of England and Wales too. Some sunshine further north and temperatures between about 11 to 14 degrees. Heading through the evening hours, and there'll be a few splashes of rain just in the far southwest, so particularly for the Isles of Scilly, for instance. Quite a bit of cloud in general for parts of England and Wales, but I think northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland seeing some clear spells. It'll be here that again we see some frost, whereas further south, not quite as cold as it was last night. Through the day tomorrow, then, the best of the sunshine will be for parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, eastern England too, after any mist and fog clears away. Towards the southwest, though, we've got more cloud and some outbreaks of rain starting to push in. Temperatures tomorrow, probably a degree or so warmer than today, 11 to 17 degrees. But then it is going to be all change from midweek onwards. Let's take a look at the pressure chart, which shows quite a lot of isobars around and this area of rain moving its way in from the southwest into Wednesday. So initially Wednesday, some rain across Scotland, then more persistent rain for Northern Ireland, Wales, the southwest of England, and the winds picking up from the southeast as well. So a blustery, soggy sort of day for many of us. Gusts between about 35 to 45 miles an hour. Temperatures perhaps a little bit warmer than the next couple of days. But as we head through Thursday and into Friday, we could see 150 to 200 millimetres of rain accumulating, particularly across eastern parts of Scotland. So the likes of southeast Grampian and Angus, for instance, that combination of heavy rain, strong winds and large waves could well cause some disruption. Ben.
Sarah, thank you very much indeed.